Hey, we are at Equip Expo 2023 looking at some of the cool things at the show, and that brought me over to the SoilWand booth. And this is a one-tool, multi-purpose is the best way to describe it. And just kind of walk us through what you all have here.
Yes, so this is called SoilWand, and it's a multi-tool. Just to go sort of backwards and give you the story, I used to ice climb a lot, and I loved the ice axe because it was strong, it was precise, and it was very lightweight.
Yes.
So I wanted to bring that to the world of gardening, and that's kind of what SoilWand is. And it's a very lightweight but very powerful tool, very strong. You can really lever this thing, and you're not going to bend it or break it. Wanted to make this really sort of over-engineered. It's great for weeding, it's great for cultivating, it's great for furrowing. It's adjustable. You can change the angle. I should probably
Yep, go ahead. Yep, go ahead.
You can change the angle of the tool heads. You can mount them on one or both ends. So here's our sort of rake, push-pull wake weeder head, and you can put it on here and put it on and use it for cultivating, getting through really hard soils. Then you can change the angle here, and now you've got a push-pull weeder. You can flip it around. There's just all these different positions that you can use the tool for, and just very functional, very adaptable. It's great for trenching and furrowing. It's a very unique tool, and we're having a lot of success with it in the world of gardening, trail building. People love to use it when they go off mountain biking. They can take this and throw it in their backpack. It weighs 3.5 pounds. They have 20 tools in one small compact format. So very unique, very useful, and just a lot of leverage and power and strength in a compact format.
So what other, I see a couple of different blade here. Are there just the 3 blades? Is that what they're possibly?
Currently, we have 3 different tool heads available. We have what we call the modified Crescent hoe tool head, and this is great as a hoe cultivator. You can angle it and use it as a push-pull weeder. We also have this rake, push-pull rake tool head. You can use it as also a cultivator and weeder. This is great for hard soils. You can really grind down. The nice thing about the tool is you can hold it with one or with 2 hands. So just like an ice axe, you can really get in there and just grind it down. And that's an extra benefit that you're just not going to get from a typical hand tool.
Right.
You know, here's a great example, sort of a dandelion weeder, which is, you know, it's good for, you know, going after one thing at a time, but it's a lot, there's a lot of work that has to go into it. It's really, it hammers on your wrists. And here you can just come in here and thunk, go right in there and just lever the weed out and pull it out, roots and all. So a lot of versatility, and there's so many uses that we're finding customers are using it for things that we never even thought about.
Oh,
so,
I'm sure.
You know, people are calling back, they're saying, hey, this is a great tool for, you know, stripping, you know, moss off a trail and things like that. I mean, there's just uses we've never even thought about. So,
I bet. People want to find out more information about the SoilWand. Where can they go?
Yes, you can go to soilwand.com.
Nice, and that's where can they buy them from the website also?
You can buy it there on Amazon and soilwand.com as well.
Perfect. We'll put those links in the description below so you guys can check them out. We are coming to you from Equip Expo 2023.